Yeah, Sneekylinux back here. As you can see, not much has too much changed. Or has it? Well, of course it's changed. As you can see, I have lots of these bars up here. Now, there's only an 8-core processor, but the way Ubuntu actually sees it is 16, because it counts the threads. And all I'm going to say, it's phenomenal. Phenomenal. Can you spell? I can't even spell that. Phenomenal. I can't even say it. Phenomenal. Okay, so with some trials and tribulations, I started building it on Sunday, about 2 o'clock, and I still wasn't finished by 8 o'clock. Basically, I made a few simple mistakes. Well, not mistakes, I just made some wrong choices. Case-wise, basically, more than anything else, because I didn't want a too big a case, but I didn't want to try and was one of a tiny one. So anyway, with the GTX, this is the first problem we had. So I've got the MSI GTX 970. It's 4K one. Sorry, 4 gig machine. 4 gig. Yeah, it's a fantastic card, but if you build a machine with this card, you will not be able to boot from it. Basically, because the Nouveau driver can't handle it. Yeah, I know. Even the most current kernels, okay, it just can't handle it, which is unfortunate. But lucky for me, I've got loads of stuff, haven't I? Okay, so as you do, what do? It's all built lovely, jubbly, lovely, isn't it? I had a GTX 750 Ti handy. Well, I got 2 actually, so we chucked that in. If you're not a Linux user, basically, if you got a graphics card to use for your latest stuff, okay, you would normally have to put a newer card and it will work fine. Okay, so I put in the 750, boom, installed the operating system, bish bosh bash, done. I know, that was fantastic, and my phone's just gone off. Thank you. I'll bet it's my wife. Anyway, so that all worked. So the install went okay. Then we swapped out the card, put the 970 in. Lovely jubbly, works fine. Okay. Second problem, I chose a Corsair carbide case, the 500, which is quite large, but unfortunately, it did give me enough clearance to put the radiator in the top of the case and give me room for the motherboard. So what I had to do was actually shave a bit off of one of basically the 12-volt connector. I shave about 3 mil off of it, which is basically a little clip. So if you take the clip off, you can get it in. Otherwise, it ain't going anywhere, and the system ain't going to boot. I know. Playing at the posterior. But anyway, the i7 5960 is a fantastic tip if you can afford it. Luckily, I'd saved up for a long time, and I was going, should I go 6-core, should I go 8-core, or should I just wait? At the end of the day, this is going to last me quite a long time, so I don't really care. At the end of the day, it does the business. Okay? We'll close them tabs. We don't want to. So yeah, we're not actually quite done yet. I've done a bit of video recording. Things need working out and changing. Some settings need changing because basically the system is so fast. I mean, it renders a video in around about a minute and a half, where before I was waiting for about 35-40 minutes. I mean, that sort of thing is fantastic. Playing games, especially with graphic cards. War Thunder runs at around about 190 to 220 frames per second. I know, anything in Steam blows it out of the water. Nice. So, that's just about the first update, really. Yeah. Sneaky Linux. Go now. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.